Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 212 Predator exhaust is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for small engine enthusiasts, offering a significant boost in performance and a throatier exhaust note that will turn heads. This comprehensive review dives deep into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of this popular exhaust system, helping you decide if it's the right choice to unleash your engine's full potential and elevate your riding experience to the next level. Number 5. FVRITO Exhaust Kit. Give your engine a boost with this vibrant exhaust kit. It's designed for a perfect fit and superior performance. This kit is compatible with a variety of engines, including Predator, Honda GX, and Coleman models. Check the specifications to ensure compatibility with your engine. It features a unique shark fin design and a durable baked-on paint finish for long-lasting color and style. The high-quality construction ensures a great sound. Installation is quick and easy. The kit comes with all the necessary parts for a smooth installation process. You'll receive the exhaust pipe, gasket, wrench, lock washers, and screws, everything you need for a complete upgrade. Please note that slight color variations may occur due to the painting process. Exposing it to sunlight can enhance the color. What we like. It boasts a vibrant, unique color scheme that will make your machine stand out. Installation is a breeze, so you can get back to riding quickly. If you value aesthetics and ease of use, this is the exhaust for you. What people say. Fits well and appears to be constructed nicely. It was a simple take of, and replace. Mine came with heat tape, so we put that on. Make sure to get it a little wet before putting it on. When you run the bike after you put speed tape on. It's not smoke. It's steam from the water. Easy to install, strong, exact fit. Number 4. JY Predator DuroMax Exhaust Pipe. Enhance your engine's power and sound with this high-performance exhaust pipe. It's designed for a variety of engines, giving you a noticeable improvement. It fits many popular engines, including Predator, DuroMax, Honda GX 160, GX 200, and Coleman models. Check compatibility before purchasing. It's built to last with a robust 12-gauge pipe and a chrome-coated finish that resists corrosion. This ensures long-lasting performance. It features real TIG welding for superior strength and a clean, professional look. This ensures a reliable and durable connection. The slant-cut end gives it a stylish look that complements your machine's design. It's a great way to add a touch of style to your engine. This exhaust pipe is designed for easy installation on mini bikes, go-karts, generators, and more. You'll be up and running in no time. What we like. This exhaust is built to last with its durable chrome finish and heavy-gauge construction. The precise TIG welding ensures a superior, long-lasting connection. If you need a tough, reliable exhaust that can handle anything, choose this one. What people say. Fits perfect. Had it for months. Welds are good, holds up to heat. Got this to replace the factory muffle on my daughter's 79 cubic centimeters Predator motor on her mini bike. It gave the bike some more power and she likes the way it sounds. So what I liked was the chrome on it. It's really well made and the welds look nice at the flange. Don't see any durability issues or the thing breaking being a problem in the future. Number 3. Predator Exhaust System. This exhaust system is designed to enhance your engine's power and efficiency. It's a perfect fit for various models, giving you a noticeable improvement. It seamlessly integrates with Predator 196 cubic centimeters, 212 cubic centimeters, GX 160, and GX 200 engines. It's ideal for mini bikes, go-karts, and generators. Everything you need is included: exhaust pipe, screws, gasket, muffler, and an explosion-proof nut. Installation is straightforward. The exhaust system is designed for easy installation. All necessary parts are included for a quick and hassle-free setup. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or issues, contact us, and we'll resolve them promptly. Your satisfaction is our priority. Don't wait to experience the difference. Order your new exhaust system now and unleash your engine's full potential. What we like. It comes with a muffler for a quieter ride, perfect for neighborhood use. Everything you need is included in one convenient package. If you prioritize a quieter, more complete exhaust system, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is as advertised. I think this is definitely a good value for the money. The actual pipe seems to be made out of decent quality metal. Bolted right on my Predator 212. Near stock sound. Looks cool, and that is what matters. Number 2. 90-degree exhaust pipe. This high-quality exhaust pipe is designed for superior performance and durability. It's a perfect replacement for your existing system, offering a simple upgrade. It's compatible with a wide range of engines, including Honda GX160, GX200, Predator 212 cubic centimeters and 208 cubic centimeters, and more. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your engine. It's made from high-quality materials, built to withstand the demands of your engine. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Installation is quick and easy, making it a simple DIY project. Everything you need for installation is included in the package. The package includes the exhaust pipe, a gasket, and screws for a complete and hassle-free installation. You'll have everything you need to get started. Before ordering, please double-check that it's compatible with your specific engine model. This will ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. What we like. Its unique 90-degree bend offers a customized fit for various applications. Installation is simple and straightforward. If you need a high-quality, easy-to-install exhaust with a unique design, this is it. What people say. It fits like most exhaust pipes on here for the 212s. It is short like it defines in the pictures and says the length, as I saw people complaining, which I laughed. It's perfect if you're building a drift trike and don't want to smash your exhaust on anything when you're out sliding. The sound is crazy. Really like this setup on my go-kart. It works great with the small block engines. First of all, the finish looks much better than the online photos show. It's nice and shiny. It woke up me and the kids' project bike. Sounds like a hog. Nice pops. Number 1. FVRITO Exhaust Kit. Introducing the FVRITO Exhaust Kit, designed to enhance your go-kart's power and sound. It's easy to install and built to last. This kit features high-quality TIG welding for a durable and aesthetically pleasing finish. The integrated design minimizes rust and peeling. Experience a boost in your go-kart power with this exhaust kit. It delivers a rich, low-end sound without any raspiness. The thickened exhaust pipe wall and flange ensure a stable and reliable connection between the pipe and muffler. Fewer welds mean less chance of rust. Everything you need is included: header pipe, muffler, nuts, gasket, wrench, lock washers, and screws. It's ready for installation. It's simple to install, just make sure it clears your fender and frame. Check the dimensions to ensure a proper fit for your model. What we like. This exhaust is built to last with its robust construction and integrated design. It produces a satisfying low-end sound without harshness. If you are looking for a durable and well-designed exhaust with a great sound, this one is for you. What people say. Fit like a glove on my 224 Predator CT100U. Sounds great and feels well made. Bolted right up to the 224 and shoots straight out the back. Has a great tone, not too loud, not too quiet with muffler on. The quality is really good, sounds great on the bike, great airflow, no loss of power. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.